my channel. Today I have something I'm very, very excited about. You've probably seen the internet just crawling, confettied with these dresses. Yes, I'm talking about the designer dress collection at Target. This year's batch is like way editorial, V out there, super cute, lots of patterns and colors, and it's been getting a lot of mixed reviews on the internet that I've seen. So I thought it would be really fun to try as many as I could try. My friends and I set our timers for midnight, like literally the night they came out, and one girl in our text chain was like, oh, I got this one, I got that one. We all, like, it was like a mad dash frenzy. Like one friend was here with me and we were all like ping, 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 ping from like all over, and we were all just like comparing notes and like got a ton. But it was like, I had a margarita, I can't quite remember, and then when they all started arriving, it was like, your Target package arrived, and I was like, yay, a bunch of dresses, and then it was like, your Target package arrived. Well, I'll just show you. And if you know dresses, like they squidge you up kind of small, so we did some damage. Get ready to try on tons of the designer dress collection and see how they fit mid-size. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you're here. You came on a very fun day. And if you're a returning BFF, thanks so much for coming. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, head over there, and I do more like photos, and it's a great place to chat in the DMs. Like my stories every day are a little bit more involved, and head over to TikTok for more short form fashion content. And I'd love to see you guys over there as well. And if you are new and you like this video, hit subscribe, hit that little bell so you never miss a video. And I'd love to hear from you and know what you want to see from me below. So comment, let me know what other hauls you want. But today I'm gonna get right into it because it is juicy, it's exciting. I did it. I got all those crazy Target dresses too, and I got a ton, and they're editorial, and I don't even remember because I was drinking a margarita when I ordered them, but let's try them on. Here is the first one. I told you that I went crazy. I kind of just was like, I'm gonna take a chance. This is very puffy. It kind of reads 80s prom. This is like, the sleeve is stretched. Let's just get on. This is crazy. I don't even know. I think it's fabulous. I think it's fabulous. Honestly, like, go Target for getting this editorial. It kind of has the silky dress vibes. You know what I'm talking about? If you know the dress, you know, you know. It's a little Judy Jetson. It's a little, I don't know. I'm obsessed. I think we should just go with this moment. This is a size large. Honestly, the fit is immaculate. Like, okay, we're gonna play a game with this one, and I'm gonna say, keep it, so what is it, ditch it, or what? We need to like come up with a clever phrase. There are pockets. I think I just flashed you guys. There are pockets. Come on. This is a very Alex Michael May 2016 dress. Like, this is her. She loves it. I still want to honor that part of myself that used to, oh, Emily almost fell over the sofa. Like, what? Back out. Oh my gosh. Remember the exploding salad?
What the hell is that?
I'll never forget. This is a size large. I wasn't sure about the sizing for this collection, so I think I did everything from like a large to maybe like a 16. Because I just wasn't sure. So we are gonna try everything from like a large, 12, 14, 16, and I'll let you know how they fit my mid-sized body. As a reminder for everyone on the channel, I always put my measurements below, as well as my bust size. Keep or return. For now, I'm just gonna say keep or return. I know everyone's gonna say return, 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 but is there anyone out there after my own heart that has an appreciation for the beautiful structure and the craftsmanship and the shininess that is this dress? And if I almost flash you one more time, I'm actually gonna stop now. Okay, here's the next dress, and this is so pretty. This is like this romantic lacy vibe. It has like a bit of sheerness at the bottom, and it's got this like, it even has cutouts on the side. What? Woo woo! Here we go. This is kind of like a Fleetwood Mac vibe. Emily and I were just saying we kind of wish it was a little shorter. Oh wait, why am I wearing these ugly slides? This is ruining everything. Forget it. This is by Alexi, and I love how romantic it is. Go, like, again, go Target. Like, how fun are these side little moments? I'm confused. Like, it's like, I don't know. Are these supposed to stay? Yeah, probably. Here's the back. This is a size large. I love the balloon kind of sleeves, like the romantic sleeves. It has just like a lot of this kind of, what would you call this? It's not prairie. It's like 70s, like flower child detailing. Cottagecore. She came out with the cottagecore. It has this fun lace detailing, like a little lace up corset vibe, and it has the middle cutouts. Like, there's a lot going on here. It's really beautiful though. The quality, the lace, the embroidery. I love it. I think it's really feminine, really romantic. Would you wear this one? What do we think? Actually, the more I have it on, the more I like it. I'm not gonna lie. At first I was like, this is a lot. Just trying to understand, like, I don't know. I need your help. Do we keep this or do we return it? I think this actually could be a really cute, like, date dress. It's weird because it's like, when I see it without my own head, I think it's cuter than when I have my whole head. What does that say about stuff? Next one we have is by Rixo, RXO. I actually don't know how to pronounce this. Let's get it on. The dress, I meant let's get the dress on. Here it is, here it is. Do we think this is cute? Emily likes it, she wants to buy it off me. And I was like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. And then the second she wanted it, is anyone like that? The second you get, like, you know you can't have it or it's sold out, you're like, but that was mine. That's like the inner child that didn't want to share in me. The fun part is that this has pockets. We love a good pocket. So good. This is just a cute little romp around. You love it?
Pockets. I was like,
oh my gosh, she just screamed, squealed with delight, she did. This is so cute, actually. I love it. It's a perfect little summer romp around. It's so light and breezy. Oh, it also has like a nice detail that you can't see is it has almost like embroidery. So it has a texture, which makes it look even more like expensive and high quality. I feel like a lot of times for dresses like this, like they feel like hot because they have sleeves, but this, I'm telling you, like so lightweight and breathable. Like this would be so perfect for just romping around in the summertime. This is a size large by Rixo. Oh, I think we have a winner here. I ordered this in a 12 and a 14. This is the 12, I love it. And Emily just told me that it makes my butt look really good. And who doesn't want to hear that? She's like, she literally stopped in her tracks and was like, I've never seen your butt look like that. Look what it does for the booty. Everyone, take a moment. Please, thank you. I love this. This is so cute. This is also the Rixo brand, which is apparently a sister duo. I'm gonna look more into that. That's so cute. This is such a good dress. So like I said, this is the 12. There are no zippers or anything. And when it comes to dresses like this, oftentimes they're really like clingy on the parts you don't want them to be clingy. This one actually just drapes beautifully over that part. It hugs the parts that I want to be hugged, and it flows effortlessly over the parts that I want to be not hugged. This is definitely a keep for me. I want your vote every time. So should I keep this one? Should I not? Personally, I think this would be such another good like daytime date dress. And I'm actually gearing up for a date with someone new on Tuesday. And maybe this would be the perfect dress to wear. What do you think? Depends on what we're doing. I don't know what we're doing, but I do like, what I like about it is it's got like a length that looks like I'm not trying too hard. AKA I don't have to shave the top half of my legs. It's so cute. I think it's a little booby without being too booby. You can still wear a bra with it. This is such a winner. It's got a little bit of smocking on the back. It's got these really fun sleeves. And it's like, I don't want to say that it's stretchy, but it is a little, I don't know, it's just so good on the body. I love it. I got this one in a 12 and a 14. I'm trying on the 14 now because we decided it had no give. And I'm struggling. There's like a 3-inch little hole that opens, which we were like, why does it even unzip? I don't know why I'm showing you guys this. This is not gonna be suitable for work. Please hold. We did it, kind of. I left a little splurt here because I just couldn't. I got really hot and tired and it was a little stressful. So FYI, I'm gonna give you an ASMR of the fabric because you're gonna know exactly what the fabric's like as soon as you hear this noise. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, it's really cute. It has a lot of fun structure. I will say, like, the Christopher John Rogers dresses tend to have like so much fun structure, which I just really, really love. I think this is like a cool mix of like the floral trend, cottagecore a little in its like little smock backing, and the fun sleeves and the like square neckline. This is really, really cute. It also has pockets, which I love. So some good points about this dress, they hit right at like the most nipped in part of the waist. Like they just create quite a silhouette, and I feel like they look great on the bod. This is a size 14. So I think this is really, really cute if you are a black and white print kind of person. I'm generally not, but I'd love your opinion. Do you think I should keep this or do you think I should return it? And again, what's a cuter, funnier way we can say that? Here's the side, here's the back. So it's almost just like a little it's almost like it has like the bottom of a wrap dress, but you don't have to physically do the wrapping yourself. And it has like a nice square neckline with these fun puffs. I think this is not a keep for me. I like it, I get the concept of it, but I don't know. It's a lot going on and I don't know. Help, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna throw on the next dress. She's fun, she's frilly, she likes to, nothing rhymes. My brain is not funny and cute today. I was trying to do a little cheer moment. This is cute. I love the like accordion pleating on the sleeves. I really, really do. I love the color. I think it's fine. I think the length is totally fine in the front. Somebody who shan't be named told me that it looks really short in the back. She said a single gust of wind and it was over for me. Maybe that's where it begins. That was Marilyn's big moment. Who knows?
Marilyn died.
Or not. This is getting dark quick. This is the Alexi brand and this is a size large. So cute. I actually really like, it's growing on me by the minute. I do love the color. I've had a little trouble figuring out how it wrapped exactly. So they pull and then they go behind and then they go in the front if you have problems yourself. But what do you guys think? It's cute. It doesn't feel like me. It feels a little more like, I don't know how you describe it. I don't know if this is my style. And I don't even know that I knew that I had a style, but I definitely do. It's like, I don't know, I do like color and I do like pattern, but I just feel like the silhouette on this is just something a little bit different. I do like it though. It's really growing on me. I do love the like pleating. I love that it's not like such an obvious silhouette as some of the other things that I have. Like it's a little different. It's like a fun little wrap dress. It's flouncy and cute for summer. I feel like it would be cute for day or night. Again, I'm wearing a size large. My measurements are below. You guys let me know. Should I keep this? Should I not? You know it's date season. You know it's summer season. You know I really need to be doing my best. So I need you to be very honest with me. I need you to tell me which are your favorites and which you think I should be wearing for important dates, because I'm just trying to manifest that we're gonna have a really fun summer. Vaxxed and waxed, baby. Woo! Better get waxed if this dress blows up like Emily warned me. Because this, oh my gosh, like this is everything I want. It's got the neon, it's got the structure, this is fab. And I really hope it's as cute on as I was like wanting it to be. It has almost like a silky texture, like organza-y or something. And it definitely has like that built-in netting that's gonna give us the structure that we want. I can't wait. I think I'm stalling because I'm like putting so much hope. This is again, Christopher John Rogers. I think he just gets my sleeve preferences. Can't you just see me like skipping through the forest in this? No, maybe not a forest. Like what? Like a flower, like a trippy cartoon is what I know you're thinking. I know you're thinking that. I bought all of these with my own cold hard cash, so like I was not influenced in any way about how my thoughts on these. I really do appreciate. Last summer, it was like the highlight of my summer, getting all my fun summer dresses. I love that they do this every year. I love that they give new designers chances. So, and oftentimes they're designers that I wouldn't have access to and other people wouldn't have access to due to like finances, or honestly, for me, it's been a lot of designers I haven't even heard of, which is cool. So fun details. I love it's almost like a pinafore front, again with the fun sleeves. He never lets us down. This has a balloon and like a puff sleeve combo. I didn't even think that was possible, but ask and you shall receive. Has this fun neckline. It dips in nicely here at the waist, and then it's like boop 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 boop. It's like a fun, it is a little cupcake-esque, I will say, but I think it's super cute. The back is a bit short. It has a fun, dramatic vibe. This would be so cute for an outdoor wedding in the summer, like if it wasn't super hot, like more in like the evening, I feel like, because it's like definitely a statement. Oh, I don't know, I really like it. This is one of those ones I'm not sure, like obviously practicality wise, it's a bit heavy for California summer. I think this is really fun. Let me know if you guys think I should love it or leave it. Hey, how about that? Love it or leave it? That's so basic. Let me know if you think I should keep it or return it. This is a size 14. And yeah, I will link it below. This dress by Alexi, I think this is a keeper. What do you guys think? I haven't seen a high-low like this in a minute, and I've like kind of forgotten about that, but I don't know, I think it's really fun. I like it. I love this tie detail. It has this cute little keyhole. Again, this is a size large by Alexi, and it has these fun little balloon sleeves. It has this great detailing here at the neckline. It zips, so this is not like stretchy at all, and it has a zipper here. And I think that, I just think it really looks great here at the waist, flows nicely over the rest of the body. I think it's like a fun, flouncy summer look. I don't know, I think it's dramatic. This would be a perfect dress for for a summer wedding, because the fabric, it feels really like high end. It's like silky. So it looks like an expensive dress. I think that this would be a great pick for a summer wedding. If you're a wedding guest, Avi, not the bride, not the drizzle. Plain back. You can totally wear whatever bra with it though. You might see a little bit poking out here, but if you do like a nude color bra, you should be able to wear a bra here. So if you're busty, also I'm a 36 triple DE. I put that below, but I'd say I'm like almost maxed out on this large, but there's actually, I lied, there's like a little more room. You would just be coming up here a little more. So I think that this is good choice if you're busty and you want to be able to have support and wear like a full bra. This is by the brand Alexi, like I said. I don't know, what do we think? Do we gonna keep it or not? I'm really leaning towards keep on this one. I just think it's a cute like nighttime summer date dress that like looks really cute, but it doesn't look like you're trying that hard. I think it kind of looks expensive and like some cool silhouettes I've seen from other brands that I love that is like done in a really affordable, tasteful way. So that's it. That is my Target summer dress haul from the designer collection. I'd love your opinion. Like I wanna know what you think I should keep, what's my best date looks. If you have tried any of these, which ones you're dying to try on. I know they can be really difficult to get your hands on, so I'm putting all the links below. I tried to get this up as soon as I could. I literally got the package yesterday, but I've already seen a bunch of other girls on the internet trying them on, and this is one of those collections that you kind of do have to set your timer for, but I will be returning some of these, so make sure to watch your cart, or if they are your size and you can't get them, you can message me, and if I haven't returned them yet, maybe I can send them to you, but I know it's really tough to get your hands on them, so let me know. Head over to Instagram, say hello via DM so I can get to know you a little better. It's just kind of tough in the comments here, but I love when you comment, and it's really fun to like have that conversation. But would also love you over on IG and on my TikTok, where I do more short form content like this. Like I'll have like a really quick version of this up too, and usually I get those up a little quicker than the YouTube, so you can also check that out for sneak peeks of what's coming here. If you are a returning BFF, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much. Let me know what you thought about the vlog that I just put up, and let me know if you want more content like that. I've been getting some requests for like morning routine stuff. Let me know what other try-ons you want to see. Yeah, I just want to make sure that I'm serving you guys, and I'm so grateful that you're here. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you like this video. We love to have fun here, not take ourselves too seriously, and just really live our best lives, feel good about ourselves, and it's a safe place for that. So hit that little bell so you never miss a video, and hit subscribe if you like this, and please say hello below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.